Hello everyone, this is Andy from Andy Factory Furniture. So today's video is for the material. So we actually have many customers that want to customize their own colors and the own preferable materials. And don't worry, Andy Factory have so many material options for you guys. So firstly, let's just take a close look on the Minotti brand. We actually have, you can see so many different, this is the sweat material. And this was very nice, and this is the same raw material as the original being made. You can see we have so many options right down here, and this is a canvas fabric. You can see there are just so many colors right down here, and also this is for Minotti too. And the colors is really eye-catching, right? Okay, so this one is tends to be more large, the patterns. Okay, wow, this is so many choices and options right here. And this is the Tiffany blue color in the sweat material, and this is a fabric. This is for the Minotti 4 types of material, so a lot of options. And now is the sweat material part. As we all know that many of you, I really love the sweat material inside of the sofa. You can see we just have so many color options right there, from the darker one or to the light one. And if you want some patterns, we also have some patterns with the sweat material. Yeah, you can see the surface, everything was really nice. Okay, in this reset of it, this is Azure standard sofa raw materials. So many color options, you can see, right? This is the very traditional for the Azure standards. And we also have these options. This tends to be more clearly on the pattern. Alright, this is the second one, and this is also made to the Caminion sofa. And this is the Azure standard too. Okay, I will give you a close-up of it. Okay, so many color options. Even in a black, we do have various black for you. Alright, here comes to the bobois sofa's raw material. Wow, you can see this is very nice light blue color, and this is the children pattern from different colors, and this is the diamond pattern from all the materials you're choosing. And then here are tends to be more, you know, the height up here is much taller. Okay, this is another, and this tends to be have more forms up here, and we have various color options, and this is the same, and this can also used to the plum sofa as too. And So this is a very popular address appearance so far, and this is a color collection from pink, brown, white, gray, and they are all made of the material in my hands. So address superior sofa is very great because you can just choose any colors you want and you can combine them together, as we have so many things together as you can see. So you can combine them and choose which color you want the most, so you can combine them together. And this is a very puffy type of material, so when you sit down on it, you can feel you are just kind of like sitting in a toys or something. So this is all the details for the materials we're gonna using and the options for you, like the color options and the material options. We have wires, so we can totally customize anything you want. So if you are interested in our furniture, contact us. We have WhatsApp, Instagram, and a website, and the end is 24 hours for you. Thank you so much for watching my video today. See you next time. Bye bye.